Anchor Solix F3800. The Anchor Solix F3800 is a heavy duty portable power station designed to keep you powered up in any situation, whether it's for your home, RV, or even your electric car. With a massive 6,000 watts of AC output and 3,800 watt hours of storage, it can easily run household appliances, charge an EV, or store solar energy for later use. If you need even more backup, you can connect it with the Anchor Solix home power panel and add up to 6 expansion batteries. This boosts the capacity to 12,000 watts and an incredible 53.8 kilowatt hours, making it perfect for long power outages or off grid living. What makes the F3800 even better is its simple plug and play design, so you don't need complicated setups to get started. Plus, with the Anchor Smart app, you can track and control your energy usage right from your phone. Built with InfiniPower technology, it's made to last over 10 years of regular use and comes with a 5-year warranty for extra peace of mind. Priced at $3,999, the Anchor Solix F3800 is a reliable, future ready solution for anyone who wants dependable, long lasting, and expandable backup power. The Annoyatron is a clever and fun gadget designed for anyone tired of noisy neighbors. Whether it's constant drilling, loud music, or late night parties, this little device lets you fight back in a playful and harmless way. The kit costs just $70 and comes with 3 small devices that make a variety of sounds: clicks, knocks, meows, or even eerie childlike laughter. These random noises are subtle but effective, making your neighbors wonder what's going on. Setting it up is easy. Just hide a device in a discreet spot, insert a fresh battery, and let it do its magic. Each device can run for up to a month, producing random sounds that create a sense of mystery and confusion. Over time, even the most unshakable neighbor may start questioning what they hear, turning their day to day life into a harmless psychological prank. The Atmos FX trailer is a fun and spooky gadget that lets you turn your home into a haunted spectacle. Using a projector and special video files, you can display ghostly figures, monsters, or other creepy scenes on your windows, doors, oars, or walls, creating an incredibly realistic effect. Imagine friends or neighbors seeing a ghost in the window or a monster crawling across the ceiling. It's the perfect mix of thrill and fun. This system includes a high quality projector and easy to use video files that bring your haunted visions to life. Each file is designed to create lifelike movement, making the illusions feel real and interactive. The projector costs around $350, while the video files are about $22 each, allowing you to expand your spooky collection over time and customize your displays for different occasions. Atmosfex is completely safe and legal, so you can enjoy all the scares without any trouble. The Bella Z7570 is a true giant of the mining world and holds the title of the largest dump truck ever built. Designed in Belarus, this enormous machine is made to transport massive amounts of rock, coal, and ore across mining sites with ease. Its record breaking payload capacity of 450 tons means it can carry in one trip what smaller trucks would need several loads to move. Powering this beast are two 16-cylinder diesel engines, each producing 2,300 horsepower, giving it a combined strength that allows it to haul incredible loads while still reaching speeds of around 40 kilometers per hour, even when fully loaded. The truck rides on 8 gigantic wheels and features a strong suspension system, ensuring stability and durability over rough and uneven terrain. Beyond sheer size and power, the Bella Z75-710 also includes modern systems for safety, fuel efficiency, and operator comfort. Weighing over 800 tons when empty and standing taller than a 2-story building, it is both awe-inspiring and practical. More than just a vehicle, the Bella Z75710 is a symbol of human engineering brilliance, making large-scale mining faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. The Boss LS2436 is a compact yet powerful desktop laser cutting and engraving machine designed for professionals, hobbyists, and small businesses who want precision and reliability. With a generous 24 inches by 36-inch working area, it offers plenty of room to handle medium to large projects without taking up too much space in your workshop. Built with quality in mind, it features industrial-grade components that ensure accuracy, durability, and consistent performance for years to come. The LS2436 supports a variety of materials, including wood, acrylic, glass, leather, and more, making it a versatile choice for creative projects, signage, prototypes, or custom products. It's powered by advanced laser technology that delivers sharp, clean cuts and detailed engravings with smooth edges. The intuitive software and user-friendly controls make it easy to operate, even for beginners who are new to laser machines. Safety features are built in, so you can work with confidence while achieving professional results. Whether you're starting a small business, expanding your creative workshop, or just want a reliable machine for high-quality production, the Gadget is a revolutionary underwater jetpack that makes exploring the ocean an unforgettable adventure. Designed for both thrill seekers and diving enthusiasts, this powerful device allows you to glide effortlessly beneath the surface. It runs for up to 90 minutes on a single charge and can reach impressive speeds of up to 3 meters per second, giving you the freedom to cover more distance with ease. Unlike traditional equipment, the Gadget is fully controlled by your body movements, making the experience feel natural and intuitive, almost like flying underwater. Its sleek and hydrodynamic design reduces water resistance, allowing for smooth, agile, and enjoyable rides. Comfort and safety are key features too. It comes with a secure strap system, quick-release mechanism, and a protective carrying case that keeps everything organized. The built-in display shows real-time performance data, keeping you informed during every dive. Crafted from a carbon fiber frame, it balances strength, durability, and lightweight flexibility, ensuring you can carry it easily without losing toughness. Remarkably, the engineering behind the Gadget follows the same high standards used in spacesuit technology, guaranteeing top-tier reliability. More than just a jetpack, the Gadget opens the door to a new era of underwater exploration and excitement. Dragflow is a global leader in dredging and mining equipment, best known for its powerful submersible dredge pumps and hydraulic systems. These machines are built to handle some of the toughest environments, including mining pits, rivers, ports, and industrial sites. What sets Dragflow apart is its ability to move heavy mixtures of water, sand, gravel, rocks, and even sludge with ease. Designed for durability and efficiency, Dragflow pumps can work in extreme conditions where traditional equipment would fail. Their modular design allows them to be paired with excavators, cutters, or jet rings, making them highly versatile for different applications. Whether it's cleaning out reservoirs, maintaining harbors, or supporting large-scale mining operations, Dragflow delivers reliable solutions that save both time and labor. The equipment is also built with advanced technology to ensure smooth operation, reduce downtime, and minimize environmental impact. The fence screen is a smart and practical way to make your yard private, peaceful, and stylish. Made from thick, durable polypropylene fabric, it does more than just block the view from neighbors. It also helps reduce noise, turning your outdoor space into a quiet and relaxing retreat. Whether you live in a busy neighborhood or just want a calm backyard, Fence Screen gives you control over your space. This versatile screen can be customized to fit almost any size, even up to 3.5 meters tall, and it's strong enough to discourage anyone from climbing over it. You can pick the level of opacity from 80% to 100%, so you get the perfect mix of privacy and sunlight. The fabric is tough and weather resistant, handling temperatures from minor 26 degrees Celsius to 49 degrees Celsius, which means it works well year-round. Fence Screen also lets you add personality to your yard by printing custom images or messages directly onto the fabric. With proper care, it can last around 5 years, making it a long-lasting investment in both privacy and style. Combining noise reduction, durability, and custom design, Fence Screen transforms your yard into a private and peaceful space where you can relax, entertain, or simply enjoy your outdoor time in comfort and style. The word hover is often used to describe the act of staying in one place while floating above the ground or another surface. For example, a helicopter hovers in the air when it stays still without moving forward or backward, using its rotors to balance in one spot. In nature, some birds and insects, like hummingbirds or dragonflies, are able to hover by rapidly moving their wings, allowing them to remain suspended while feeding or observing their surroundings. This idea of hovering gives a sense of lightness, control, and balance. In the world of technology, hover has another meaning. On computers and smartphones, when you move your mouse pointer over an icon, button, or link without clicking, that action is called hovering. Often, it triggers an effect, such as highlighting the option, displaying extra information, or opening a menu. This makes interactions smoother and gives users a preview of what they can do next. The Liebherr LB 44510 is one of the most powerful rotary drilling rigs in the world, designed to take on massive foundation projects such as skyscrapers, bridges, and tunnels. With an incredible torque of 510 kilometers, powered by a strong V8 diesel engine producing about 677 horsepower, this machine can drill into even the toughest ground with ease. In Kelly drilling mode, it can reach depths of up to 92 meters and bore holes as wide as 3 meters, making it perfect for heavy-duty construction tasks that demand strength and precision. Despite its enormous size, weighing around 170 tons, Liebherr has engineered the LB 44510 to be surprisingly practical. Its leader mast can fold down with hydraulic hoses still attached, allowing faster setup on site. The long crawler tracks provide excellent stability even when working in rough or uneven terrain. Advanced hydraulic systems ensure efficient energy use, with automatic torque adjustment and multiple speed settings for different drilling conditions. For operators, visibility and control are top priorities, thanks to smartly positioned winches and an intuitive system design. The LB 4045-110 is not just a drilling rig. It's a powerhouse built to deliver reliability, depth, and performance on the most demanding construction projects. The Liebherr 934 is a tough and reliable excavator built to handle demanding jobs in construction, mining, and material handling. This powerful machine is designed to deliver both strength and precision, making it a favorite choice for operators who need dependable performance every day. Equipped with a strong engine and an advanced hydraulic system, the Liebherr 934 offers smooth operation, impressive digging force, and excellent lifting power. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from digging and loading to demolition and forestry work, especially when paired with different attachments. Operator comfort is also a big focus. The spacious cab provides excellent visibility, easy-to-use controls, and a comfortable seating position, helping reduce fatigue during long shifts. Safety features are built in, giving operators peace of mind while working on challenging sites. Despite its size and strength, the Liebherr 934 is fuel efficient and meets modern environmental standards by keeping emissions low. Its rugged build ensures long-lasting durability, even in the toughest conditions. Overall, the Liebherr 934 is more than just a machine. It's a trusted partner on the job site. With its mix of power, efficiency, and versatility, it's built to keep projects moving forward with confidence. Nemo's Garden is a one-of-a-kind farming project that started in 2012 when Sergio Gambarini, while on vacation on the Italian Riviera, imagined something unusual. What if plants could grow underwater? That idea turned into reality with the creation of transparent biospheres filled with air, placed 6 meters below the sea. These bubble-like structures act as underwater greenhouses, offering a perfectly stable environment with constant temperature and humidity, ideal for plant growth. The entire system is designed to be sustainable, powered by solar energy and using desalinated seawater to keep everything running smoothly. What makes Nemo's Garden special is its potential to provide alternative farming methods in regions where harsh climates make traditional agriculture nearly impossible. Scientists and pharmaceutical companies are also drawn to the project. studying how the unique underwater conditions might influence plant development and even enhance their medicinal properties. Beyond science, Nemo's garden could also play a role in ecotourism and seaweed farming, offering visitors a chance to see a futuristic approach to agriculture in action. This project is not just about growing food, it's about reimagining the future of farming in harmony with the ocean, showing how creativity and innovation can lead to sustainable solutions. The Nerf Terra Scout is a one-of-a-kind robotic toy that brings fun, strategy, and technology together in your backyard. Unlike a regular toy, this tracked robot is equipped with a Nerf blaster, making it feel like a mini robotic soldier ready for action. It can patrol your lawn, navigate different terrains, and fire Nerf darts with precision, creating hours of interactive entertainment. The Terra Scout is controlled through a built-in camera and a color screen remote, so you can see exactly where your robot is aiming and plan your shots carefully. Its drum magazine holds up to 35 rounds, allowing you to shoot multiple darts without needing to reload constantly. Whether you're playing a friendly Nerf battle with friends or just enjoying the thrill of controlling a smart robotic device, the Terra Scout makes every moment exciting. Durable and responsive, the robot is designed to handle outdoor use while keeping gameplay smooth and fun. The parking bollard is a simple, smart, and effective way to protect your parking spot. Picture this. You come home after a long day, only to find your parking space taken by a neighbor's SUV. With this handy device, that problem is gone. The bollard rises and lowers whenever you want, giving you full control over your spot and keeping it reserved just for you. Built from strong galvanized steel, the bollard is tough enough to resist damage, but lightweight and easy to handle. Weighing only 8 kilograms, it can be installed quickly on concrete or asphalt without needing extra help or complicated tools. Once it's in place, it's secure, reliable, and ready to use whenever you need it. Not only does the parking bollard protect your space, but it also gives peace of mind. No more disputes over parking, no more frustration, and no more surprises when you arrive home. Its simple, sleek design blends perfectly with any driveway or parking area while offering maximum durability. PESA H2 Loco. The PESA H2 Loco is the world's first locomotive powered by hydrogen fuel cells, setting a new standard for eco-friendly rail transport. Designed by PESA, this innovative engine produces zero emissions while still delivering impressive strength and efficiency. It can reach a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour and has the power to pull loads of up to 3,200 tons, making it perfect for heavy-duty operations. Powered by a 650 kilowatt system, the H2 Loco can run continuously for around 15 hours before needing to refuel, offering both reliability and long operating times. Its modern design features a central driver's seat for better visibility and control, while advanced technologies like autonomous driving and anti-collision systems ensure safe and smooth operations. The locomotive is especially valuable for shunting tasks in green ports and intermodal terminals, where cutting emissions is a top priority.